Hey there, good afternoon to you, Chuck at Pals. As you can see, we're moving forward with our LS project. We've run into a couple of snags, but as you can see, we're prepping the pistons for new rings and cleaning them up. You can see a before and an after piston right here. The heads came out very nicely. So where we ran into a problem with this engine is that this cylinder over here, and you can't really see it on film, but right down inside there is a tiny crack in the block. Okay, see it right there, that blemish. So we've had to order this customer a different block. We'll be able to use his pistons and his heads, his crankshaft, and all the other things that we need in this project, new lifters. And again, we'll re-rig the pistons. We've got them all cleaned up. We got a couple more to go. And then once we get all that back together, we'll be able to assemble into the new block that we're getting all the parts of this engine so that it will perform like no other for the customer. So if you have an LS project that you need your engine done on, bring it to Pals. Hope to see you soon.